Welcome to Money Savvy Pro, your ultimate guide to financial success. In today's video, we'll help you navigate the world of stock investing as a beginner and show you how to pick your first 5 stocks. Investing in individual stocks can be an exciting way to grow your wealth, so let's get started. Segment 1. Understand your investment goals. Before selecting your first stocks, it's crucial to understand your investment goals. Ask yourself what you hope to achieve with your investments. Are you looking for long-term growth or regular income? Understanding your objectives will help shape your stock selection strategy. If you find this information helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button. Your support motivates us to create more valuable content like this. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Savvy Pro for more financial tips. Segment 2. Conduct research and due diligence. Research is key when it comes to picking stocks. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of fundamental analysis. Look for companies with strong financials, a competitive advantage in their industry, and a history of consistent growth. Pay attention to factors like revenue, earnings, debt levels, and market trends. Valuation plays a crucial role in stock analysis, helping investors determine if a stock is overvalued, undervalued, or priced fairly. By comparing key valuation metrics such as the price to earnings ratio, price to sales ratio, and price to book ratio with industry peers, investors can assess whether a stock is trading at a reasonable level. If you would like to know more about the valuation fundamentals, please comment below so that I shall bring you videos on those too. Segment 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is crucial to managing risk in your portfolio. Aim to select stocks from different industries or sectors to avoid being too reliant on one particular sector's performance. This way, if one stock or sector underperforms, others may help offset the losses. Segment 4. Analyze the company's prospects. When evaluating a company's prospects, consider factors such as its market position, competitive landscape, management team, and growth potential. Look for companies with a clear vision, innovative products or services, and a sustainable business model. Segment 5. Consider dividends. Dividends can provide a steady income stream. If you're looking for income generating stocks, consider companies that consistently pay dividends and have a track record of increasing their dividend payouts over time. Dividend-paying stocks can be an attractive option for long-term investors. Segment 6. Monitor your stocks regularly. Once you've invested in stocks, it's important to monitor them regularly. Stay informed about company news, earnings reports, and any market developments that may impact your investments. Monitoring your stocks allows you to make informed decisions and take necessary actions when needed. Segment 7. Conclusion. And there you have it, a guide to picking your first 5 stocks as a beginner. Remember to understand your investment goals, conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio, analyze company prospects, and consider dividends. By following these steps, you can start building a strong foundation for your stock portfolio. If you found the information in this video helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to Money Savvy Pro.